Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to know different data about the speed performance of your network card in Linux. To begin with, open the terminal on Linux. Once opened, you must install the iperf 3 utility using the command you see on the screen. You should wait for the utility to be installed on Linux. You can use the clear command every time you want to clean the terminal. We will start by starting iperf 3 in server mode, which will capture all the results. To achieve this, execute the following command as you will see on the screen. So you can see how iperf 3 works, we will open another console window. Next, we are going to perform an analysis of the speed of our local network card. For this case, enter the command that you see on the screen. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to do the analysis. You'll be in the console window that is as a server, the results in real time. The server will continue with the listening function waiting for your orders. You may want to enter a special port. If you want this, use the command that we teach you on the screen with the port you want at the end of the syntax. Press the Enter key to wait for activity on that port. If the purpose is to see the size of the TCP window or the socket buffer, you can use the command that we show you on the screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If you prefer to check the speed in reverse mode, we will use the command you see on the screen. Then press your Enter key to run it. Another option with which we can see data from the network card is to use the bidirectional mode. If you want to use it, you will enter the syntax on the screen within the terminal. Then press the Enter key to see this result. At the end of this process, you will find a very complete result on all the values and intervals used. If you want to access the server results in the client window, you will be able to do it with the complete syntax that we show you. You should wait for this process to finish to see the full result. With this syntax, you can try different combinations. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.